Hello, everyone. Welcome to part four for September STL Patreon for 2023. We look at D&D prints, Warhammer proxy prints, tabletop prints, figures of anime and video games, and so forth. If you do enjoy, subscribe, like, and share. Leave it down in the comments as well, like which Patreon you guys like to see, and so forth. So we have Puppet War miniatures right now that we are going to be looking at. This is going to be a September release, so you have another Dreadnought that's coming in. But yeah, these are the piloted ones. I think the Grey Knights do the piloted ones for it, and these look pretty cool too. They have the open bars and stuff for their Dreadnoughts, but I like this one better. Tell you the truth, it looks bulky, looks really heavy. I know there's gonna be a lot more like this one that's showing. That looks like the Echo One version for the Orc, because last month they did the Ghostbuster version of the Orcs that I'm going to want to print once we start the Orcs. I'll get that as well and get that started. OX 3D printing is another figure printing as well. So we have Batman and Catwoman diorama that we'll be getting. We want the nude version of it. Try to see if they have the thing for what's going to be for September. Usually they do have it. Usually they don't. Yeah, we know that. Well, it's going to be a lot. It looks like they don't really announce it as like they used to. But yeah, so we have that diorama that's released in September. We have other things that are coming in September. We might go back to it later on if we have time. Zahan Studio is another figure as well. This is September. We're gonna have Rebecca from One Piece and Momo from uh, My Hero Academia. But yeah, they're very good figures for their anime figures. I do want to print more anime figures. It's just that I have a lot. Christmas is around the corner. I gotta print stuff for everyone for Christmas and paint them. Herbius Studio. I don't think we have anything that's coming out for September right now, but we'll come back to this once they release something. Another very good figure as well. Blue Mancer Sculpts, another figure for it. This is going to be October. I think we have the Queen from Persona 5. This is Loyalty 1 that we're going to get. Don't know where she's from. Ivy is going to be Poison Ivy. The Isha picture for it. That's already released from last month. That's last month. Here we go, September. Makoto, Beth Sith from Faith, and Karlak. You want Karlak? You can get Karlak finally for this month. Henry Varon Post, another figure. And for September, we have Angelmon, Gear 5 of Luffy, and I believe that's her name is, for this month. So far, this is what they have for Your. It'll be more refined later on. But yeah, it looks like these, and they look pretty damn good. Raven Eye, I believe is another figure. We got a lot of figure this that we're looking at. See, in September, we're gonna get Peach. And I think we should get more than that for September. That's a new welcome package. But we'll go come back and check it out towards the end of the month for them. Bruno R3D, another figure. Oh, look at him. Hell of a lot of figures. Let's see here. We got Domino. Looks like I can get Domino. Let's see here. Hydra. Let's see. Bonus for 3 months old. 3 months. But yeah, that's it for now, I guess. Well, I'll be downloading that later on. DM Stash, anime figure. Very good anime figure, I would say. So we having more of the the Eastern style. If you're playing the Oriental version of D&D as well, and there's another game I believe is they have more of Oriental setting for it as well. So we have the samurai, four-armed samurai. Let's see here, mounted fox, Kinshin, Kasune, Dasaski, the Great Or. I'm not going to pronounce a lot of these. I will butcher the shit out of them, like I always do. And there's your dragon turtle. Some of these are pretty good looking as well. I'll have them if we're ever going to do the Eastern style of it as well. But I don't think we're ever going to, uh, because of the friends I play with. But we'll see how this goes. And there's your Hydra. But yeah. Belsker, I believe, is another figure. No, this is the female. Majority of the time, female. I think they're doing the Wild West on this one. So we're doing the Wild West version, I believe. These are elves in cowboy and Indian outfits. I don't know, but yeah. If you need more female lewd figures in like the Wild West style, there you go. If you need some female gunslingers, there you go. Well, yeah. But riding on dinosaurs, I really don't know. You might have to find a horse that can actually put on them. There's your Native Americans as well with axes. Next one is Great Grimoire. This is a fairy tale version of D&D we're having. You have gargoyles, you have Dracula, you have the Huntress. I think this is a statue of an angel, and I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty good. So you have gargoyles, Seroth, Count Richard von Chalos, Clara. Um, like I said, I'm not really good with names. Next is 3D Moon, another figure. And for this month, we have. Oh, yeah, I forgot her from Bleach. Oh, yeah, well, we need her. Yeah, Jubilee is coming in as well. I think those two are the ones. And her as well. From King of Fighters. Makington, another good thing for D&D for what you call it, for terrain pieces. This is a very good thing for terrains if you're interested in terrains and so forth. Looks like more of like ancient Egypt or ruins for it. Then you guys know. I like when they etch the hieroglyphs, and I can use the technical paints to make them glow and so forth as well. So this would be very cool to do it. Next one is Reuben, another figure, very good figure, I would say. Next project, I think that's for October. This is going to be September. One from Kill la Kill, and I forgot where she's from. I think she's from one of the video games as well. But yeah, so you get the idea. That's your September one. Oshia minis. These are really good for like kaiju battles, or you do it for your Tyranids. So these are really cool looking for Tyranid pieces if you need Tyranid proxies and so forth as well. I'm going to proxy a lot of mine into the Zerg prints I've seen so far for my Tyranid army because I do love StarCraft a lot, and I can print as many as I want with them as well. So yeah, oh, that looks freaking gnarly, just coming out of their backs like that. But yeah, this may be the last one for part 4. print your monsters. I don't think they have anything out for September yet. And then let me go to the next one. Continue. Skip survey. Which one is this one? Cyberforge Miniatures. Another cyberpunk style, or there's Age of Sigmar and so forth. Proxies for it. Black Market. Okay. So we have that. I think this would be good for Necromunda. And there's your Tyranid proxies right there as well. And your ships. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave down in the comments which one you like, which one we go see. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.